friends, welcome back to Shobhak's YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. I'll be showing my rented room in Bhubaneswar, how it cost to me and all everything. I will let you know. So in the entrance, this is one screen and kind of 4 feet mirror, and this is exercise part and the bed. And this is one more window, and this is my work setup, an office laptop, personal laptop, and here my guard, and here in that side provided one mirror. You can see this is my dresses, and there I have fixed all my televacs and my battles and my guitar and my kitchen, a small kitchen. Here you can see the extra one more window. So this is, and here it is for keeping all those things, and the aqua toilet. This is for one wash basin again, and the washroom. Just like this. And the main part is I'll be showing to you just after the exit from here. This is the 4th floor. This is one sitting area. You can sit and chill. Stair to the window. And the most beautiful part is this is the organic vegetables and all. You can see this is the national highway. This is nearer to my room, around 300-400 maximum. So this is one front terrace thing. So here we have dahlias and all the beautiful flowers. Now the season is already went, so it is, otherwise it will be full and this is the view from outside. Here you can have exercise in the evening and chill. This is all the tour, and how much it cost to me. It is only 8,000 to me, including electric bill, and one nice parking is also there.